in southeastern Texas, East Central Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Galveston County in southeastern Texas, Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 11:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:43 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
8 months.
Source: radar and
Since the
automated
last
gauges.
time HGX has issued an FFW.
Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pasadena, Pearland, League City, Sugar Land, Baytown, Missouri City, Friendswood, Lockport, Deer Park, Stafford, South Houston, Bel Air, Seabrook, Galena Park, Jacinto City, Webster, Manville, Greater Hobby Area, South Bell Ellington, and Greater Eastwood. This includes the following low-water crossings: Evergreen Road at Mustang Vale, Tram of Fresno Road at Mustang Vale, Ruan Road, Clear Creek, Deepwood Drive, and nearby low-lying roads: Sunset Drive at Coward Creek, East Edgewood Drive at Mary's Creek, Wyoming